Good afternoon everyone, welcome to our presentation session. My name is Aurelia Dewi Anggreni Pandiangan and I will be your moderator today. We are the Kuta team and today we are proud to present our project The Line Followers Robot. We would also like to acknowledge and thank our management project leader Mr. Dodi Lumbantoruan for his guidance and support throughout this project. Let me introduce the members of our team. Arya Yuda Sembiring, our team leader, Stephen Reinhardt, team member, and Aurelia Pandiangan, team member. Our project focus on building a line followers robot, an autonomous robot that has sensor to detect and follow a path. This type of robot is commonly used in automated systems such as warehouse, logistics, and smart transportation. Now, let's move on to the main presentation. I would like to invite Arya, Stephen, and Aurelia to explain our design, working process, and demonstration of the line followers robot. Background: need for automation. Many industrial, logistic, freight, transport tasks still done manual, time consume, and inefficient. Problem: short distance freight transport still relies on humans. Simple and affordable automated solution or locking. Solution: line follower robot as a simple automated system. Line follower robot as a simple automated system that can follow a path without human control. Project objective: design and implement a mobile robot that is capable of automatically following a path. Line follower: interpret a system for autonomous object retrieval and transmission as actuator and sensors. Apply sensor and logic control to create a robot that can make decisions in real time. Improve efficiency and accuracy in simple object transport tasks on a certain path. Provide a small-scale automation solution that can be applied for light industry, education, and research purposes. Integrate hardware and software into a fast, responsive, and reliable robotic system. Next.
This is mechanical design. This is mechanical design from top, bottom, and from right and back. Quickly progress. Week 1, we does the design of inline follower robot starting from stringing and the after sensor, movement mechanics, and frame shaft. Week 2, actually, we are still making the design for now, namely we make the main form material, component and microcontroller, motor, lever, sensor is installed to main wheels from moment as balancer so that robot does not fail. Week 3, first we have a robot designed on the basic part like the flat. In the part we have the same component on the wheels and batteries. Weekly process. Week 4, create a robot structure design and acrylic with 2 level of wheels and electrical component. Week 5, make few of components sure as sensor, Arduino USB, wheels, battery holders, and servo. Week 6, the team accounted the Intel design progress of line sensor design using CAD. And slide. Next, problem 1. We are want adjust the body design with the gripper. 2. The body design change because the still don't take into account the planning of component. 3. The Griever design is a ground many changes due to the change the robot has to overcome. Problem next slide. 1. We are just the body design with the Griever. 2. The body design change because the steel don't take into account plan of component. 3. The Griever dash us around many change to the robot as overcome. This is vector line robot, and this is drawing design. And 1. This is drawing design base body, and this is the form design drawing for the front width is 12.7 centimeter, and the back width in 10 centimeters, and legs 98 centimeters, and 2. This is the upper base part, and drawing Griever. Next, the drawing Griever is Griever, and we ask to gear pass Griever. Thank you.
Continue with the next discussion about the flow chart. Here is a simple process that we have read first. First, start. When the button is pressed, the robot initializes the sensor, begins detecting the line using sensor 3. Next, initial line detection. If sensor 3 detects the line, proceed to the next step. If not, check sensor 1 and 2. If yes, turn left. If no, check sensor 4 and 5. If yes, turn right. Next, object detection. After detecting the line, the robot moves forward until it detects an object. If an object is detected, pause briefly, servo move down to 60 degrees, pick up the object, servo returns to the starting position. Next, delivering the object, the robot follows the line of the destination, place the object in the provided space, continues following the line afterward. Next, marble detection. Along the path, the robot detects marble. If marble are detected, pause briefly, servo move down to 60 degrees, lift the marble, servo returns to the starting position. And next, delivering the marble, the robot continues following the line, place the marble in the provided place. Next, repeat process, the marble lifting process repeat up to 5 times. If the number of marble lift is more and less 5, the process continues. If it exceeds 5 times, then end the process. Finish. Next, robot program explanation. Program objective. The program is developed to control the movement of the robot, read data from the line sensor and distance sensor, and operate the Griever automatically when it detects an object. 2. Program structure. Initialization done when the robot is turned on, including the configuration of pin, motor, and sensor. When loop, the program runs continuously to read the line and distance sensor, control the direction and speed of the motor, activate the Griever if needed. Basic logic. If the line sensor detects a strike path, the robot moves forward. If there is a turn, the robot turns by slowing down on the wheel. If the distance sensor detects an object in front, the robot stops and the Griever is active to pick up the object. Platform and language. The program is scripted using with Arduino IDE with the C++ language and is run and on ESP32 or Arduino Uno microcontroller. Next, robot mechanic and concept. 1. Robot type. Line follower robot with gripper or grip arm. This robot can be follow lines on the floor and can possibly pick up or place object using a gripper. 2. Structure and frame. Acrylic pads with a two-level design or top and bottom. Modular frame, meaning easy to disassemble and modify. 3. Driver train. 2 main wheel on the side driven by DC motor via gearbox. 1 caster ball or omni ball on the front center for balance. 4 line follower sensor. There is a line sensor module on the bottom front, possibly 5 ER sensor channel used to detect black and white line on the floor. 5 gripper. Located at the top run of the robot, driven by a servo motor supported by a triangular rotating arm or frame. 6 microcontrollers and electronics. There is a microcontroller board or ESP8266 in the middle, motor driver, side line sensor, servo clipper, power source or battery. A cylindrical battery or probably a Lion 18650 is located at the top of the back, power the entire system. Last, 8. Mechanical concept summary. A 3-legged line follower robot or 2 wheels plus 1 caster, motor equipped with servo clipper, ER sensor system for line detection, and 2 level pass packet components. Next, electronic system block diagram. 1. ESP8266 microcontroller. Wi-Fi enabled microcontroller with GPIO pins function, control and communicate with the components. 2. DC motor. Electric motor powered by direct current function, convert electrical energy into mechanical motion. 3. Motor driver side. Interface board for controlling motor function, drive DC motor and provide protection features. 4. Servo motor with position control via PWM function, provide precise angular movement. Thank you.
Budget fund. The total purchase that we still ask is still rupiah 296,500 because we have not yet or still determine which component we will last later. Resource management. Electronic equipment. 1. Motor driver shield, 2 sensor, line follower, camera, 3 servo motor, 4 DC motor, and 5 power supply battery holder. 2 mechanical equipment wheels, 1 motor breaker and 2 ball caster. 3 additional resource, 1 jumper cables, connectors, PCB if any, screwdriver, solder, etc. HDD or tools. That brings us to the end of our presentation. Once again, we thank Mr. Dodi Mataruan for his support. On behalf of the Kuta team, thank you all for your attention and participation. Have a great day. See you. Thank you.